All right, everybody. So this is going to be the first video of a former client of Pinnacle Credit Repair that got scammed. And she basically wants to tell her short story about how I was able to help her after she got scammed by Andre of Pinnacle Credit Repair. I hope y'all enjoy.
Hi, my name is and this review is for Everything Credit LLC. They helped me remove some negative items from my credit report and increase my score for about 100 points up in the past 4 months since I started working with them. And I started my credit repair journey with a company called Pinnacle Credit Management that seemed to have a good reputation online, but Andre Nguyen, the CEO of that company, turned out to be a scammer and also very abusive towards me as a woman. I hope that he is sued and really can't scam any other victims out there. Thank you, Everything Credit LLC, and I appreciate your help.
See, you cannot trust this guy. He's crazy, he's narcissistic, he's just all over the place, and he needs mental help. Really. If y'all have any questions, leave them in the comments. Hope y'all have a great night.